how to subscribe to a channel. Okay, many people have been asking me how to subscribe to a channel. So you go to the YouTube app. I'm going to open my YouTube. Okay, so I will try to just go to my home tab so that I can see some channels. We have if not billions of channels on YouTube. So let me just pick on one. Now look at this. Now this is very attractive, and let me just open up the video.
What if a very old form of outlawed magic could turn your most painful struggles into lucid awakening within this dream called life? In this video, you'll learn the truth behind it.
Different powerful machines that are used to do different things. So now if you look here now, if you look here, are you seeing here? Subscribe. I'm asked to subscribe, so you can see that place here, okay, underneath the video. So if I click on subscribe now, see, you are subscribed. So you can now screenshot this and send to whoever has demanded for you to subscribe. Okay, I can just screenshot this. So that is how to subscribe. This is the like icon. If you click this one, it's like. Okay, so if I want to comment on the video, okay, I click on, you can see this area, comment. I click on comments, and it's going to give me where I'm going to right now. I see add comments. I can add my comment here and say very educating. So, and I sent my comments. So my comment has been added. You can see my comment has been added. So I've subscribed. So that is how you subscribe to a channel. Thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next video.